Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I found this card. It's an $800 Pokemon card, but apparently there's gold in it, and that gold is worth more than $800. So let me go ahead and add this to cart, and I'll get you when it arrives. Okay, here it is. Wow, that was fast. So this is our card. Okay, this is an $800 card, so let's use it with care. You know, your boy YA does take stuff with care. You know, it's valuable. You know what I mean? But yeah, we're gonna be opening this up. We want to see if we can find some gold. You know, potentially become rich. You know what I mean? Yeah. So let's just go ahead and open this up. It comes in a really nice case. You know, just to protect it because it's like some $800 stuff. But yeah, it's pretty beat up though. Yeah. So yeah, you guys could still buy it if you want. As you guys can see, it's still for $799. But yeah, there you go. That's the Pokemon. Let me focus. There you go. It's here. But yeah. So let's go ahead and rip this apart. Oh my god, I can't rip this apart. I want to see if there's some gold in here. You know what I mean? Oh my god. Okay, guys. So, it's the moment of truth. See if there's any gold in here. The gold's supposed to be. There's no gold.